Okay guys, 2025 Rivian R1S, presented you from Real Deal Auto. This is a dual motor max battery pack performance. So only two motors, but max battery, 400 range miles. Rebuilt title, damage is right through here. I don't even think we need to do paint work, a little suspension had to be done. 7 passenger, black interior, glass roof, double roof here. See 4606 on the miles. See the Rivian Autonomy Platform. So I think they only come in 25s, max battery pack. Obviously the 22-inch wheels. Heated, cooled seats in the front, heated steering wheel. I believe with the extra height, you have the off-road package that you can do. So 360 camera. That's where you open up all your stuff here. The 25s now have this button, you can open it too. Two seats in the back. Another cool feature in these 25s is front and rear, or sorry, all 3 rows have heated seats. You can see they did a little dent work there, if you see, but that's where the damage is, and I believe there's a little bit of dent work done here where they had a little damage. Other than that, it's pretty much suspension, so I don't think there's any paint work done on this thing. This is obviously the highest setting for the suspension. Oh, it would really only be that high in off-road riding. Once you start driving fast, it'll lower. There is 2 keys in here, but once you get your phone set up and on the Rivian app, your phone will be the key, so really won't need those keys. These don't come with the chargers, but I do have them. That'll be $300 for purchase if you want one. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.